Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome. So basically today we're gonna create something different. It's gonna be a crochet with no cornrows, no no braids. It's basically the most easiest crochet braids ever. So let's get started. So the name of this one is the Outre X-Pression Curlette, and I got it in the color 2T1B27. Okay, let's get started, guys. You're gonna need a crochet hook. Mine is done. I need to buy a new one, but I'm too cheap to do so, so this one's still working. We're gonna keep on using it. And so remember, my hair is texturized perm, whatever you wanna call it, but it's in a bad condition right now, so make sure you basically really brush your hair as much as you can. Even I mean, I think if you have fussy hair, I will suggest to blow dry your hair first so it can be as smooth as possible. Okay, the only thing that takes time in this whole look will be the drying part, which you're gonna see in a few, but don't worry, I'm not gonna let you see the whole drying part. So yeah, the next step will be using a got to be glue gel. So, and the one I'm using is the black one. I'm gonna basically smooth this out all over my hair as much as possible. Okay, also guys, big thank you to Diva Trust because they did send me this hair. Thank you guys. Okay, next step, use a blow dryer to dry this for like 20 minutes or so. And after that you can use the got to be spray for better hold, and also this will make it dry so fast. Back to the blow dryer again for another 10 to 15 minutes. So I already start this in the back. The next step, it's so simple. All you have to do is watch what I do. Also be careful with the hair and your own hair. Try your best to not go too rough on this. Okay, good luck to you. Okay, let me show you the packaging now. There's not much in this package. It's only come with two of them. It's not much. I use 4 to 5 packs, I will say. So if you're using this all over your head, you're gonna need more than this. Maybe you're gonna need 10 to 11 because there's not much on it. But the good part about it is that when you basically open them, you know, it's really give you that crazy look, which I love. Crazy afro look, which I like. If you like a tight curl, I will say you're gonna need more, but if you want something that's give you like the afro curly look, you don't need much. You understand? So I hope that makes sense. If show you a third time how I crochet this again, it's very simple, easy. Now all you need one strand of the hair. Open it slowly, okay, and enter the crochet hook into your hair slowly. Again, you don't want to be rough with this. Please do not mess up your hair for a crochet. And after that, you just start it. You don't need to do it twice or 4 times because this will hold, I mean, as much as you want until you're ready to take it off. Believe it or not, this hold, this lasts. Okay, this is a good hair. I gotta give it that. This is a good hair. The quality is good. And what I'm doing now, I'm just basically open them because I wanted the afro curly look, like I said, kind of like the frizzy, not too perfect curl type of thing. So that's why I open all of them instead of leaving it at 2. I think I open it to make it like a 4. Understand? So hopefully you guys understand what I'm saying and enjoy this video. Basically, so this is the whole look. I really did love it. I did change my lipstick, which I didn't fix around my mouth with some concealer. I regret that because I didn't get some good pictures, but I love the look. And if you end up dealing with those white stuff, just use some water and it will fix it up right away. Okay, and I did enjoy this look. Thank you so much for watching my video. Like always guys, I love you so damn much, and make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification button because there's more videos that's coming up. You do not want to miss them. It is within each other to forgive and